Well, terrible day. 80 and 90 miles an hour winds through the night. Pond cover ripped off. Broke its fittings. Both of them have. And I've got some here that's been ripped off. So really bad. So now I've got to try and get these back in place. Oh, by battling this wind and this rain. Oh, what we do for the fish. What a day. Well, the fish look okay. Oh, managed to get the covers back on. And everything seems alright in the pond. But it is absolutely freezing cold and heavy rain. Oh. Temperature 4.5. The worst part is that my feet are soaking wet, and that makes me feel even colder. As you know, with my bad feet I can't really wear shoes a lot of the time, so I have to wear slippers. And that's no exception today. Belted down the rain, pond's flooded, the ground around me is flooded, and what am I doing? Wearing my slippers. There you go. Oh, what we give to the fisher. Right, I'm going to try and go in now and try and get warm, because it is a bit cold out here. It's warmer in the pond than out. The fish are okay, covers are back on, and everything seems okay for the time being. I wonder what tonight's going to bring. Take care, subscribe if you can, see you in the next one.